This video will demonstrate how to install a 3M AquaPure full flow water filter system 3MFF100 into an ADA drinking water fountain and/or bottle filling station. Prior to installing the 3MFF100 filtration system, it is important to read and understand the product installation and operating instruction manual. If there are any questions related to this product installation, you should contact 3M for additional support before starting the installation. The 3MFF100 system is an effective addition to drinking fountains and bottle filling stations. The 3MFF100 system has been tested and certified to both NSF and ASNI Standard 42 and 53 for the reduction of substances listed in the product performance datasheet. This system does not reduce all substances that could be present in your water. To verify this system meets your water treatment needs, you must test your incoming water quality before installation and compare this to the system's capabilities stated in the performance data sheet. This filter and head assembly or system can be installed in the drinking fountain cabinet or in a remote location. It can also replace an existing filter system. To complete the installation, you will need the filter and head assembly, drill, adjustable wrenches, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, tubing cutter or utility knife, PTFE tape, and additional parts, 3/8" NPT fittings and tubes. To begin, assemble all required tools. Remove and inspect all 3MFF100 components from the packaging. Read through the installation instructions to familiarize yourself with the product and correct installation procedure. To get started, the outer cover of the drinking fountain needs to be removed. You may need additional tools to remove the cover. This provides access to the mechanical components. Locate the securing fasteners, remove them, and keep them for reinstalling the cover. Next, shut off the electrical power. Locate the incoming water supply and shut-off valve for the fountain. Turn off the water supply and activate the fountain dispense to relieve any system pressure. If an existing filter is being used, it needs to be removed. Locate the current filter system, disconnect the inlet and outlet water lines from it, remove and discard the system. Identify a location in the cabinet that provides the space for both the filter cartridge and head assembly, as well as the inlet and outlet water lines. Ensure there is a 3-inch clearance below the filter cartridge for installation and removal of replacement cartridges. Place the filter head assembly in the location and mark the supporting surfaces for installation. Install appropriate fasteners as directed from the manufacturer. Use fasteners that will support 9 pounds, which is the wet weight of the 3MFF100 filter system. Assemble the head assembly. For the head assembly, make sure the vent line is in place. Use PTFE tape to connect the NPT fittings into the inlet and outlet openings. Tighten the NPT fittings with the wrench. Attach the head assembly to the wall using the fasteners. Check alignment and then screw the fasteners through the head assembly, making sure the attachment is secure. Connect both inlet and outlet water lines to the 3MFF100 filter system head. Connect the inlet water line to the water supply. Unwrap the filter cartridge and write the installation date on it. Remove the sanitary protective cap from the 3M filter. Inspect both O-rings and confirm they are seated into the grooves. Do not lubricate with petroleum-based products. Moisten the O-rings with water. Align the molded lug on the filter port to the front of the head assembly. Filter label should be on the left-hand side. Insert filter into the head assembly and turn right until it stops. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks from the head assembly. If no leaks are detected, you may plug in the drinking fountain unit. For cabinet-mounted filters, reinstall the fountain covers by aligning them into the position and securing them into the original fasteners. Identify the location for the 3MFF100 system installation. This location should be accessible for convenient filter changes and secure to prevent filter cartridge tampering. This space needs to be large enough to mount the filter cartridge and head assembly and connect both inlet and outlet water lines. Turn off the water supply. Ensure there's a 3-inch clearance below the filter cartridge for installation and removal of replacement cartridges. Align the molded lugs on the filter port to the front of the head assembly. Filter label should be on the left-hand side. Insert filter into the head assembly and turn right until it stops. Turn on the water supply and check for any leaks from the head assembly. Open the faucet to remove air from the system and run water for a minimum of 5 gallons, approximately 2 minutes, to flush the filter system.